Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you the Blackvue DR900S channel and the Blackvue PowerMagic Ultra battery installed on an Audi SQ5 2018. First we're going to show you the rear camera on the Blackvue. So we ran the camera to the back on the windshield, run all the wires covered, ran through the vehicle wiring harnesses. So to make sure we don't have any water leaks, to make sure we don't have any wires outside, looks nice and clean and safe. The wires are running through the vehicle liner on the top, going disappears. Then we have, in the front we have the camera just under the mirror. The wires are running through all the plastics, covers and everything here. The battery is a bit big, so we actually installed it under the seat. But if you look, you can see it here. So we actually lifted the carpet, removed the seat, and the battery is sitting under in a very safe location. That way this seat has movement with no problems of moving back and forth, which would have made if the battery was just sitting on the carpet in here. And obviously it's safer, that way nobody can disconnect it. To have dash cameras installed and other electronics, you can always find it at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.